In this video, I will guide you how to recover your PSN account without email and date of birth. Open your browser on any device, type PSN support in the search bar and hit enter. Click on the official PlayStation support link. Open the PlayStation support page, select account and security, click on login and password, scroll down and go to login issue. Click on how to change your sign-in ID, like email address. If that doesn't work, click Recover your account. Scroll down and select Contact PlayStation Support. Choose Account and Security, then Password Reset and Recover my account. Look for the live chat option and click on it. Provide your first and last name, then click on Start Chatting. Once connected to a PlayStation representative, provide as much information as possible, like your PSN username, last four digits of your credit card linked to your account, any previous transaction details. If you remember your date of birth, provide it as well. The more details you can provide, the higher the chance of recovering your account. That's it. Follow these steps to recover your PSN account even if you don't have access to your email or date of birth. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.